Hello everyone, welcome to Your Florida Electrician. Today's the day, finally, I think. I am going to take this outlet that I want to move. Well, I want to keep the outlet, but I want to add power up behind the TV. I don't like having the wires running down to here. Right now I got an extension cord with a quad to hide the wiring, but I want to be able to plug in right behind the TV, nice and neat for the internet, for the TV, and for my cloud drive. I finally decided to use some Wiremold, and we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to keep that quad there, so when I have a stereo in the future, if it's over there, I can plug it in over there. So why delete it? They're always handy. And my TV looks really high, but you'll see what I mean. I want to hide all this wiring, all this stuff. So what I want to do is kind of twofold. I want to hide like low voltage cables coming from the TV going down to here. I might have stereo equipment here. I want to have that in a separate Wiremold channel, and I want to have another Wiremold channel so I can take this, run power up over here, and then behind the TV, when the TV's up or down, you won't see it. It's up right now. I don't normally watch TV like that's really high, but it'll look way neater and way cleaner than running cables down here. I hate that look. So we can start with this first. So what I'm looking to do is my low voltage. I think I'm going to put this about halfway, maybe in the middle of that outlet, and then up here, because I want to put a 90, so anything coming out of the TV or the internet can go down here and go to whatever I put down there. So I cut it already, and believe it or not, with some PVC pipe cutters, cut it nice and clean, better than I thought. So I'm going to stick this up here. Okay, super simple. So it's a peel and stick, and you can open it, and I put one drywall screw in there. It's going to be like one internet cable in here, maybe one other thing, and one down there. So, and all you got to do is, of course, I'm still going to put a 90 on here. And I got to wire this, get this all neat. All right, you can see now with the TV down, I put the internet cable in there. Looks better. I mean, it's taking like, what, 2 minutes? I can still pull wire up and down if I need to. I got that huge spool of internet wire. I could change that out later. This just opens up again. Take the wire out. But I do want to put a 90 on here so it goes behind the TV, so when the TV's up, you don't see it. This is what it looks like with the TV down. This I would like to go, except for one. I would like to have my, maybe two. The internet and the cloud thing could be run off my new Eco Pro. But let's finish this first. I'll put the 90 on there and a little piece. Okay, you can see I put another little piece here. Don't need any screws. It's so small. I'm gonna need another one of these though, because I'm gonna use two. Look at that. I mean, come on, how easy is that? So when I put TV up, you won't see it. This hole I'm gonna fix. You can take that off anytime and re-pull wire if you need to. All right, so of course, to work on the electrical, I need to shut off the family room, which I know now from that last video. Family room lights, fan outlets, front outlet. So circuit 2, boom. All right, just double checking. Let's make sure this is off. See, this is why you double check. That's showing that it's on. Well, would you look at that? They have 2 circuits in here. I mean, it's great. I mean, you have plenty of power for the TV, but one circuit is on all the lighting in the room. The other one is on the microwave and an outlet next to the microwave. Yeah, that's really strange. Just goes to show you, that's why you check it. I would have assumed it's off, the whole thing, but it's actually 2 circuits. Which is kind of crazy to me. One half is one half is the other. So for me, I think I'm going to leave this quad 1 circuit. Yep, definitely on 2 circuits. This one by itself and another one by itself. So suppose that's good. All right, so the outlets are disconnected. 1 circuit, 2 circuit. And one thing I noticed is they didn't put the grounds together. There's no reason why, even on separate circuits, you can't have the grounds together. inside the panel, they all meet up in the same spot. So we can twist those together. Okay, so we have, this is the one circuit that is gonna be for the outlet staying here, these ones. And this one is gonna be passing through and going up to where the TV is. That's gonna remain on the family room. So I'm gonna make some pigtails, put them inside this outlet with the cover on, and you'll see. All right, you're probably wondering, all right, what did you do there? So inside the box, we know we have one circuit here, which is the one that's going to stay here in this box. And then we have another circuit that I want to bring up to an outlet behind the TV. So what I have here is a bunch of jumpers. All right, 2 grounds, 1 for each outlet here. 2 hots, 1 for each outlet. 2 neutrals, 1 for each outlet. These ones are just going to continue on up into my outlet. So what I can do is put some wire mold there and run these wires up so we can start trimming out. So this is inside the cover. And what you're going to see is some knockouts that are already there. I want to make sure I knock out this one and one little extra one. I just knocked out both on the other plate, and I only need to knock these out because I only need to fit this. All right, and that extra little one, too much. So I goofed up. So let me knock it out the right way. So this cover just slides over. I just basically pressed it on there. Because these outlets, these are going to go right in there, believe it or not, because they go on the outside. They don't go on the inside. They go on the outside. You'll see. And then I'm going to cut my piece, slide it in there, and let's see what it looks like. All right, let's take a look at what we have so far. I got that set of wires that's going up to the TV, behind the TV, passing through. 2 sets of wires, 1 for each outlet, right there. Okay, my low voltage comes down, goes up to my new outlet box. I'm missing 1 corner piece here, but that's easy. So let's go ahead and trim all this stuff out. I think it looks way better already. All right, so you gotta admit this looks better. I still have my outlets here. Get wiring in here, low voltage here, missing 1 corner piece. It's okay, but you don't see anything back there until you look up there. Let's get in there. Get some light. See, my outlet's there. Everything's plugged in up there. The only thing I need to mount is that cloud drive. And then when the TV's up, you won't see anything. Pretty slick. My Starlink up there. And even with the TV down, I think that looks pretty decent. And when you pull the TV down, you still don't see anything. Unless you come back here. How sweet is that? Now that's better.